pride and gratitude that I stand before you today to welcome everyone to this very special occasion, our graduation ceremony. Today marks not just the end of a chapter, but the celebration of countless efforts, sacrifices, and dreams. Each of us here has a story filled with challenges we thought we couldn't overcome. Lessons that shape us, and moments that tested our strength and determination. Yet, here we are, stronger and wiser. To our dear teachers, thank you for your patience, guidance, and unwavering belief in us, even when we doubted ourselves. You have not only taught us lessons from books, but lessons for life. To our parents and guardians, this achievement is as much yours as it is ours. Your sacrifices, encouragement, and love have carried us through this journey. And to my fellow graduates, today is a reminder that we made it. Every late night, every struggle, every small victory has led us to this moment. Let us carry forward not just the knowledge we gain, but the values we have learned. Resilience, humility, and courage. As we officially open this ceremony, may we take a moment to reflect on how far we've come and look forward with hope to where we are going. Once again, welcome everyone, and thank you for being part of this milestone in our lives. Congratulations, Batch 2026, and let us celebrate this day with pride and joy.